How to disable any extension in Claude. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can disable any particular extension in your Claude. So if you wish to disable any particular extension or if it is interfering with your operations, then disabling an extension is the best thing to do. So in order to disable any extension, the steps are very simple. The first step is to click over to your profile or account icon at the bottom left corner. Then once you have clicked over to this, click onto this settings option at the top. Now within the settings, you will see this extensions tab at the bottom under the desktop app. So click onto this extensions option and from here it will show you all of the extensions that you have installed on your computer. So as you can see here, I have this PDF viewer extension installed. So from here I can also configure it, but if I wish to disable it, I am going to click onto the configure option and then you can see that it is currently enabled. So I'm going to simply click onto this toggle and now this extension is successfully disabled. So that's how easily you can disable any particular extension in Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.